are you? I hope you are always healthy in the pandemic COVID-19. Previously, introduce myself. My name is Laura Saberti. You can call me Laura or Saberti. Now I will invite you to visit one of the tourist attraction in Banyuwangi, namely Telunjuk Raung Waterfall. Okay, let's go.
Telunjuk Raung Waterfall is located in Mangaran Hamlet, Sumberarum Village, Songgon District, and Banyuwangi City. And this tour is about 40 km from the city center of Banyuwangi. For road conditions, the tourist sites are still in the form of soil and earth. Along the way, we will also be served by various plantations.
Well, here is the Telunjuk Raung Waterfall. It's in the village Sumberarum. Let's go to explore the tour.
Before we explore the charm of Telunjuk Raung Waterfall, we are experts to wash our hands and also we mix. However, to arrive at Telunjuk Raung Waterfall, we are still required to walk using the steep profile. But when we will walk to get to the waterfall, we will be amazed by the atmosphere of the forest with its still beauty and natural with very cool air. At the end of the start, we will immediately be greeted by a small break with very clear water flowing. Next, we will see a natural pool that can be used for swimming. The water here is very cool because this water comes directly from a clear and refreshing spring. Named Telunjuk Raung because the flow of the water is like telunjuk, and the word Raung is soft with text because of the waterfall's location at the foot of Mount Raung. Well, not far from where to swim, we will arrive at Telunjuk Raung Waterfall, the center of our journey. Here we can see how beautiful this waterfall is. And do not forget to the right and left of the waterfall there are trees that are very beauty, and do not forget the very refreshing air. This place is suitable for you as a plan to relieve stress and also as a vacation spot. So for those of you who want to visit natural attraction, this place is perfect for all of you.
View from the Telunjuk Raung Waterfall tour. So thanks a video from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.